This season, you can look effortlessly chic by just adding an affordable top or two to your wardrobe. And yes, I have 8 of them to show you today. They are my favorites, and they're also in a lot of the trending kind of materials and also styles. So if you look behind me, I've got the kind of crochet look. I have denim. I have, lots of lace. Lace is very popular, and especially the stretchy lace. And of course, I have silky tops as well. So I can't wait to show these to you. And yes, they are very affordable. So let's take a look at my top number 1. If you want to look effortlessly chic and on trend, take a look at this beautiful, stretchy, lacy top for just $46. Notice the intricate lace design and the button detail. This pattern covers a lot, but you may want to wear a skin tone cami underneath as I did. I decided to show a dressed up version of this blouse with a pencil skirt and fabulous stretchy belt. But I could also wear this top with my jeans or a skirt for a casual chic look. And as usual, I'll have all of the tops that I'm modeling for you today underneath the video description and also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find all of my spring and summer favorites, including dresses and accessories. But let's take a look at tops number 2 and 3. And speaking about what to wear with jeans, the denim on denim look is still trending, and this chambray shirt looks great with my favorite pair of stretchy bootcut jeans. Now I got to tell you about these jeans because they're by Lee, stretchy bootcut, and last time I checked, they were just $20, and I do believe they're in petite, regular, and also tall sizes. But let's get back to the shirt, and it's 100% cotton, and I can tuck it in or tie it in front, and the sleeves can stay long or be rolled up. I wanted an easy breezy look, so I added a white cami underneath, and by the way, these are my 3rd favorite tops because these camisoles by Hanes are cotton and spandex and available for just $13. I have many of them, as you can see, and they certainly come in handy when I'm styling my outfits. Now you probably can tell I've got a little bit of a cold today, but I'm a trooper. You know, I love putting out videos like these for you every week. And I also would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And don't forget, it's very important to click on the notification bell because if you don't, the algorithm probably won't show you my new videos. But for now, let's take a look at another top with a cami underneath, and this might be an idea that you haven't thought of as top number 4. I actually saw this outfit inspiration on an over 50 aged woman in a Hallmark movie, and I loved it so much I had to recreate it and share it with you. I just have one of those Hanes camis paired with a Belief skirt, which is $43, and it almost looks like a little black dress underneath, but it's so much more comfortable. I love this lacy overtop, and it's actually described as a beach cover-up, and it's just $20. I could have also put this over a navy camisole and a pair of denim shorts or a skirt, and this top is so lightweight that you can wear it in warm weather, and for those of you who want to cover your arms, it does that too. And don't forget to check out the size chart against your own measurements. And usually there's a bust measurement there. So important when you're ordering tops. But let's take a look. I talked about warm weather. Let's take a look at what I have for you in the next top. Okay, I know. Sometimes we have no choice. It's so hot that we have to wear a sleeveless top. And this one with grommet detailing at $20 fits the bill perfectly. And I loved it so much, I also bought it in white. The other great thing about this top is that it's made to sit high under your arms. so it hides a lot of that flabby stuff a lot of us get under our arms as we age. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where once again I'm going to have an inspirational message for you. And this one's going to be, how to kind of get out of the doldrums and really enjoy spring. But for now, we're on top number 6. Staying with the idea of keeping cool but covering our arms a little bit, this eyelet number is 100% cotton on the outside, plus it's lined on the inside, and it's available for just $31 and available in 18 colors. I know many of you love cotton, and many of the tops that I featured today are cotton, and that's a great material for spring and the summer season. I matched this with my Lee jeans, but if you wanted to keep cool, maybe match it with a pair of shorts or a skirt. And talking about cotton, let's take a look at another cotton blend shirt that I believe should be a staple in everyone's wardrobe. This is another shirt that I love wearing. You can dress it up or dress it down, and it's available for just $24 and goes up to size 3XL. I have it over jeans, but if I add a navy blazer, which is just about $48, and a few faux pearls for just $24, I have an upstyle look for those days, where you want to look a little more dressed up and maybe be in and out of air conditioning. And talking about upstyle looks, silky tops will be everywhere this spring and summer. And they're so elegant and very, very chic. So let's take a look. These silky tops won't disappoint. And they're just $20 last time I checked. They come in 33 colors. And I love them so much, I bought 4 of those colors. Wear them over jeans, or once again, add any color of blazer over top, and you have added an elegant and classy vibe to any outfit. Très chic. And just before I get into my inspirational message, please, if you've been sitting on the sofa watching a lot of the news and everything else, get moving. And in case you haven't heard about it, my daughter and I spent 4 months putting together, it's basically a body health program for you. Exercises in 3 different levels, from moderate to easy does it to senior. Oh, there's yoga in there, there's calmness, might even help you sleep at night. So you just find it at www.agewellwithheather.com. It's important you put the www. In front of it, and then just click on more info. And I would love for you to join Tara and I. But let's get into the inspirational talk. Lately, I've had many women who are commenting on Instagram and also on Facebook that they're finding it really hard to get out of the doldrums this spring. Maybe it's the news, or maybe it's just lingering from the winter blouses that we have, but whatever it is, maybe do what I just did a few minutes ago, and that is I went out into my back deck and I just took some deep breaths. There are days now where you can just breathe in spring. And what I suggest that you do is you take a deep breath in, hold it for 8 seconds, and then let it go. Breathe it out. Breathe out the doldrums, so to speak. And I would only do this about 3 times, because sometimes if I do it too many times, I get a little bit dizzy. And don't forget, this is what Tara has been doing for the last 6 years in the program too. She helps you with the meditation, the wellness, the calmness, and also a little bit of yoga. I truly want you to spend less time on the sofa and more time maybe going for a walk in your neighborhood, and all of a sudden you see your neighbors are emerging from the winter, right? And have a little chat with them, and maybe pat some of the friendly dogs in the neighborhood, and of course get in maybe 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 steps as you're breathing in that fresh air. We need to turn off the TV and get rejuvenated, and there's no better time than this season to do that. And why not get yourself one of those affordable tops or two, and maybe even, plan to have brunch with a friend, or maybe, your favorite patio has opened up and go there for drinks and maybe some finger foods. And for me, it's just another way to be loving our age.